Hi, my name is Thelma and I'm a wig instructor. I'm an instructor for Lapeppo Wig Academy. This is a highly requested video. I've gotten a lot of complaints about how people cannot maintain their curly hairs. So here I'm going to be teaching you how to do that and the right products you'll be using also to tame your curls down and make sure you have beautiful curls. I've actually realized that no matter how beautiful your hairs are, no matter how expensive it is, or no matter who you're buying it from, if you do not maintain it properly, trust me, you will not get the best out of it. So this is not about the quality of the hair now, this is about the maintenance. Coiling hairs are high maintenance, and then it's something that you would want to spend a little money on. It's an investment of its own. You need to buy good products that can help you maintain this hair. So here we're going to be taming down all these curls and they're going to be staying that way. So I'm going to be showing you products that you'll be using to do that. If you just stumbled on our channel, on my channel, please make sure that you subscribe for more videos like this, for more beautiful videos like this that has a lot to teach you about hairstyling and hair maintenance routine. Also, please follow us on Instagram at official_Lapepporealhairs. And without wasting much of your time, let's go to the main video. Coiling is actually very beautiful, but they're high maintenance because not everybody knows how to maintain curly hairs. You also have to know that if a hair is not so fantastic in the aspect of quality, and then it's a curly hair, it might be very difficult to maintain. So for curly hairs, based on the questions that I've been having, this is what I use personally. It's my product. It's Lapeppo Coil Keeper Spray. This is what I use to maintain my curly hairs. But first, this is just water with a spray bottle. I'll be wetting my hair down. This is how I maintain my curly hairs. So I'm gonna spray it all down. And then detangle. It's very, very important that before you start to detangle your curly hairs, that you wet down first. It's very, very important. It's very important that you wet down to make it easier for detangling. So this is what we're going to do now. So what we're doing right now is we're brushing everything out. And then once we're done with that, that's when we go in to use the Coil Keeper Spray. What the Coil Keeper Spray does is it does not dry out and become frizzy and big. What it does is it tames down the curls and it remains like that. So you spray it down. Now, the water you actually sprayed on it first will make the whole Coil Keeper Spray saturate all over the hair, and then it doesn't make you use too much of the spray. So this is just all, basically. Then we're going to go back in now and brush. See, the curls are more now. I promise that this is going to like stay down like this. Now, another thing that people do is when they use a good product, they don't keep their hands off their curly hairs. You can't keep running your hands through your curly hairs once it is dry. It is wrong. It will make it more frizzy again. Remember, the texture is going to go big when it is dry. But that's because you've been running your hands through it. If you don't run your hands through it, I can assure you that your coils stay this way. So once you've done all this, it's very easy. Once you've done all this, your coils will remain this flawless, to remain like this. Basically, this is all you have to do. And then about styling, you can style as desired. Stays down like this. Don't forget that I said do not keep touching your hair. Now after this, once you're done styling, you want to leave your curly hair to dry. whatever product you've put in it, you want it to freeze with the hair. You want it to dry with the hair. So by the time it dries out, it remains like this. Do you understand? It's going to remain this way. It's going to remain this beautiful and all. But then the only thing that is going to dismantle the whole of the curls is when you start running your hands through, even when it's dry. Some people just naturally like to touch their hair, which is not so much of a good thing to do. Most especially when it's a curly hair. If it's a straight hair and all that, you can keep brushing and all that, but you cannot keep brushing a curly hair once you have styled it. Let it be. You styled it to your desired style. You've used your curl keeper spray, you've used your water. Just allow it dry, allow it be. It will serve you for at least 2 to 3 days if you don't keep touching your hair. So I'm going to show you the outcome once it is dried. It's been like 20 minutes now, and I think the hair is dry. It looks like that now. So this is how the curls are going to remain. Make sure, like I said, you do not start running your hands through the hair. It will make the hair grow big. So if you're not the type that likes very big hairs, just make sure you let the curls sit like this. If you don't touch your hair too much, I can assure you that this would last up to like 2 to 3 days without you applying nothing else until you do the whole routine all over again. It smells nice as well, and I can assure you that this does not cause any product buildup or anything else. This is really nice and something that you would want to have. If you're a curly hair lover like me, this is your best bet. Lapeppo Curl Keeper Spray. What this product actually does basically is it allows you to be the boss chick of those gorgeous frizz-free coils, just like this one. And it does not cause any product buildup. It is very effective in all weather conditions, allowing your style to last for several days. Now, directions, like I already taught you, just spray lavishly. Do not be selfish with your curl keeper spray. Don't be selfish. Spray lavishly after the water, after spraying it down. And don't forget to always detangle your hair before applying the water. And even after the water, you also detangle again before you spray your hair down with the Lapeppo Curl Keeper Spray. I hope this video has been helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to also follow us on Instagram at official_Lapepporealhairs. So for more videos like this, you can please subscribe, do not forget, and then probably click on the reminder button. We'll always post pictures like this at least 2 to 3 times in a week. Take care.